Welcome to Townhouse 1, 12 Melrose Street, Leederville. In sought-after Melrose Street, this charming and large street-front townhouse has location, location and location. In a group of only 3 townhouses, this is a spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car bay residence and has no common wall. Stroll to the Oxford Street Cafe Strip, Britannia Reserve, Leederville Tennis Club, Leederville Oval, shops, school, Luna Cinema, TAFE, public transport, both bus and train.
Beautiful, beautiful.